So we upgraded our CT as part of an expansion and renovation project here at the hospital. Offering these advanced capabilities here in a rural community definitely will save local residents trips to bigger metropolitan areas where these kind of capabilities are offered. So in our region, this offers something that is not found elsewhere throughout the region. Absolutely, there's a life-saving aspect. The advanced capabilities of this machine allows us to do better diagnostics, cleaner pictures, cleaner images.
With our hospital taking patients of size, upwards 500 pounds or greater, that table will hold a 550-pound patient, and that'll keep us from having to ship that patient out if they needed a CT.
We have had a few very large patients. They do not touch each side. They are comfortable. They have bragged about our machine, how they will always come here now because they don't feel like they are hurting themselves while they lay on our table. It is amazing. It really is. It makes our job so much easier. It really does.
We've used Browns, very happy, very pleased with the service. If we needed something temporary, they were always there to help us and support us. So it was the right fit for us.